This Windermere Real Estate Whatcom, Incorporated property video is presented by Juliebrown. Welcome home to Birch Bay Village. Rare rambler with a wonderful wooded fully fenced backyard, extra large lot. Granite kitchen counters, west breakfast bar, stainless appliances, gorgeous cabinetry, all in a perfect open floor plan. Hardwood flooring, uniquely beautiful gas fireplace, west full-length mantle. Master suite, looking onto private fully fenced backyard abutting 100+ acres of undeveloped estate property. RV pad and plenty of room to add shop. Watch the wildlife from this quiet property. For more information, review the details below.